look at you. Hey guys, thanks for joining our live tour. We are gonna walk through and meet all of the adoptable dogs here at the shelter. Something tells me the dogs are gonna be kind of loud today. I just have this feeling the whole shelter is just loud. Hopefully you guys can hear me. This is Polo. He really wants to meet you. This is Sarang. She is adorable. I have a feeling I'm going to be zooming in on a lot of paperwork today, so here we go. So here is Sarang. She is absolutely adorable. Of course, the first dog here is Biscuit. He's not a big fan of cameras and people that he doesn't know. So I don't want to get too close to him. We're just going to admire him from afar. He is a 4-year-old retriever mix. Super handsome guy. He really does want to meet you. He's just kind of over being at the shelter, if you know what I mean. He wants to go home. Hey, Sarang. Yes, you are adorable. Oh, look at this guy. This is Astro. Hey, Astro. Astro is, here's his paperwork. Astro is a 1.5-year-old retriever Catahoula. Weighs 70 pounds. Look at, oh, he's a little nervous. I'm sure the dog barking next door is not helping anything. Poor guy's just kind of shaking and shivering. Oh, it's gonna be okay, bud. We're gonna find you a home. That collar is huge. Why is your collar so huge? That thing is huge. It could fit like a cow. My goodness, Astro. Okay, so we're gonna go in here. There's a dog I really want you guys to meet. Hopefully you guys can hear me when we talk about her. Oh, it's gonna get so loud in here. Hi guys. Hi buds. We're gonna come back to you guys. This is the dog I want you guys to meet. This is Lolo. She has been in the CAP system since 2020, earlier in 2020. She's had just about every procedure that we can possibly do to a dog here at the shelter just to get her adoptable. She was found extremely pregnant and had ear infection so bad that her ears were swollen shut. She had intestinal parasites that she probably had her entire life. It took her months of deworming to get over it. She's a real project. We did entropion surgery, which is where the eyelids roll inwards and the eyelashes irritate the eyes. So we did surgery, entropion surgery, to repair that. She was spayed. We treated a urinary tract infection. She's been through a lot. I don't think I've seen a dog receive more treatments than Lolo has. And I'm honestly scared to think about what the bill would be if we tried to itemize. Luckily, we were able to get everything done through our shelter pets. But honestly, if we tried to get all of that done at an outside vet, it would have been thousands of dollars. Even then, her foster parent spent about $400 of her own money working with the puppies. I don't know, it's just been an ongoing process. She had 7 puppies. Like I said, when she was first surrendered to the shelter, she was so pregnant. And at that point, her health was so poor, we weren't really sure what was going to happen. But luckily, she gave birth to 7 great puppies who all found homes last year. But she's just been a work in progress. So we really need the best possible home for her. She is a doll. Hey, Lolo. Love her. So we're going to meet the rest of the dogs. This is Venom. He's a 7-month-old Staffordshire. Hey, bud. I know you know who this is. Here's Maggie. Hey, Maggie. Everyone loved her video that we posted a couple of days ago, and she's still here. No one adopted her yet. So please come for Maggie. Hey, Mags. Say hi. Yes, hello. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of other cuties to look at today. Let's see if we can go over here and get her. Oh, Ruby has the cutest little stubby tail. Look at him. Adorable. Here's a close-up of Ruby's paperwork. She's a 1.5-year-old cattle dog. Hey, Ruby. Like they have him labeled as a Chihuahua Retriever. Kind of looks a little beagle-y to me personally. This little baby is a stray. After the stray hold, he will be available for adoption if his owners do not come looking for him. Hey. Hey, Zeus. This is Zeus. Zeus is a 6-year-old poodle mix. I think this baby's getting looked at, if I'm not mistaken. I think somebody's looking at this one. Woody. Oh, little Toot. Hey. He's just a little nervous, that's all. Hey. I don't want to upset her too much, so we'll move on. Hey, Princess. How's it going? Princess weighs 8 pounds. cutie is Duffy. Hey Duffy. I love your stripes. You have very great stripes. She is an 8-year-old Blue Lacy. You didn't know Blue Lacy is a state dog of Texas. Hey, you're chewing on your toy. Cutie. She's quick. Hey, Max. Maggie. Hi, pretty girl. Okay, so that was all of the dogs in our doggy domain, which is our small and medium dogs. Oh, look at you standing up. Again, this is Astro. He's very tall. Okay, so now we're gonna go over to our dog villa area, which is all of our large dogs. We'll come back and see what's going on in our puppy palace in just a minute. We got some cuties in there, and a really big cutie. Okay, dog villas. These are all of our large breed dogs. Hey. This next dog. Oh, dang, that bark. Oh, once he gets out of the kennel, he's a lot better behaved, trust me. Any 7-month-old boxer plot hound mix is gonna have so much energy they can't function properly. Like they're just energy. He's starting to go hoarse. He's been barking so much. He wants to get out of here. Someone please come meet him. That's our next dog. This baby girl has been here for a while. She really wants to get out of here. You know, she's been here a while. Like, she doesn't stand up and bark. She's like, I'm not barking. Hey, Oak. Pretty girl. Let's see. Mufasa is next. Mufasa. Y'all, do you hear him? Oh, he's such a drama queen. Okay, we're gonna go back here. Where did we leave off? Bingo. Bingo is next. Bingo is a 3.5-year-old shepherd. Up here, Bingo. There we go. Hey, Bingo's a really great dog. Kind of hard to see. Oh, well, you saw him for a second. Tucker, our big Retriever mix got tagged for a transfer. He's going to be going out of state to find a home. Thank you, RPM. Coco, Foxhound, Great Dane mix. You are a tall dog. Coco weighs about 63 pounds. Goodness gracious, that is a tall dog. Hi. You kind of look like Oak. Yeah. You do. Cutest. Curly. And after we finish seeing the dogs in villas, we're going to go over to Puppy Palace and meet puppies. See what's going on over there. Hey, Reese's. This is Reese's. Reese's is a very happy dog. Oh, you're gonna come closer, say hi. She's cute. Who do we have here? Pedro. 8-month-old. Oh, look at that picture. Oh, he's so cute. Hey, Pedro. I see your tail wagging. I see it. I know, Rose, aren't Reese's ears the best? They are absolutely precious. Ellie. Oof, I almost tripped and fell. That would have been an interesting video. Ellie, asleep again. Every video is the same. At least our weekly shelter tours. She just kind of sleeps through it. This is the extent of her being excited. Ellie, one of our volunteers uploaded a very cute video to our website, and we'll be sure to share that if you haven't seen it already. Hey, Ellie. Stretch it out. And back to sleep. There we go. This is Regis. He's a 1-year-old retriever. Super handsome boy. Regis. This store is very scratched. It's going to be kind of hard to get a good picture of him. Hopefully you guys can see him. He's super handsome. Love him. You'll notice a lot of our dogs are wearing e-collars. That's because they've all been spayed and neutered, and we don't want them to mess up all that great surgical work. You're adorable. She's got a toy. She's ready. She wants to go. Ready to go? Wanna play? Oh, somebody's gonna come adopt us soon, I promise. It's gonna happen. Okay, so now we're gonna go see what. Good news on the critter front. All of our little adoptable guinea pigs, or not guinea pigs, but all of the hamsters and parakeets that we had have all found a home. So that's super awesome. One little hamster we had for a while. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Hi guys. You're getting adopted. Check it out. That's awesome. Hey, cutie. Oh, look at your little ears. Oh my god. Talk about ears. Goodness gracious. This baby is not yet available for adoption. Will be soon. You're cute. Roscoe is our next puppy. Hey bud, you look like a real German Shepherd. You're very shepherdy. Look at those paws. He has gigantic feet, y'all. Look at those feet. They're huge. So let's see. He's 9 weeks old and he weighs 18 pounds. This dog is gonna be really big, full grown, and super handsome. You're a very good looking dog. Oh my God, look at those feet. Yeah, you're gonna go home. Look it, adopted. See, you're gonna go home. Just be patient. Millhouse got tagged for RPM. Congratulations to Millhouse. Who else do we have? Hi. You're poking me on the bottom. This is Missy. Hey, Missy. Oh, guys, look at this one. Yeah, super cute. This is Rocco. Just happens to be the name of my tortoise. Hi. Hello. You don't like the e-collar, huh? You don't know. You don't know what it's for. He's cute. You're very well behaved for a puppy. Did you wear yourself out chewing up all your paper? Yes, you did. You guys are funny. Okay. Hey, you're the big puppy. We have to, on extra big puppies, we have to put metal X pens in the cage so they can't climb out. I know it doesn't seem like 4 inches would make a difference, but with these big puppies, it makes a big difference. So this is Telly. He is a Retriever Great Dane. At the tender age of 2.5 months, he already weighs 35 pounds, which is really big. I don't know how many of you know puppy sizing. Just to give you an example, I had a bull mastiff years ago who at 8 weeks old weighed 9 pounds. And she grew up to be about 100 pounds when she was full grown. So when my dog was about 10 weeks old, she weighed maybe 15, 20 pounds. He weighs 35. I think it's fairly safe to say this dog is going to be well over 100 pounds full grown. I think we're safe to say that. So if anyone is looking for a giant dog, we have one. Yes, we have you. And you need to go home sometime. Oof, oh my goodness gracious. I know, I'm right there with you. He is a big puppy. Again, he's only 2.5 months old, and he weighs 35 pounds. He's a big boy, and very handsome. Okay, I think you've met all the puppies. We've met all the dogs. We met the cats and the rabbits earlier. I think we're good. Thank you guys for joining the tour and taking a look at the puppies. If you have any questions, feel free to send a private message. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Please don't forget our clothing drive to help feral cats. We have 2 donation bins outside in the parking lot. You'll see them when you pull in. They're 2 bright blue donation bins. We are collecting clothing and textiles to raise money to sponsor surgeries for feral cats. So if you can help out with that, we would greatly appreciate it. Until then, you guys have a great week. We'll be sharing more adoptable pictures throughout the week, so be sure to check back later. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.